Good morning, Beaumont Traders. This is Daniel. I'm gonna do a recap of my trades today. I'm documenting my trades for me and for anyone who may be interested to learn a couple of things from what I do right and then what I do wrong as well. So today, the market was not doing really well. If you can see, this is pi. Yesterday, market closed at around 298. It gapped down. It went up above view up a little bit, and then it started selling off really bad. Now it's around 296. So the market was not good. This is, I believe, when the market is not good like this, it's a good day to short stocks, basically. A lot of stocks go with the market, and when it goes up, they go up. When it goes down, they go down. So there weren't a lot of stocks that gapped up big today. A lot of stocks were heading south, heading down, and one of the stocks that I was interested to trade was this CTRP. CTRP, this is a daily chart. Yesterday it closed around 35.19. It had a good day the last couple of days, but then it gapped down today. Okay, so it opened really lower than where it closed yesterday. And this is a 1 minute chart. It gapped down, it kind of consolidated. Around the market open, it started to go higher towards where it closed yesterday. But it's still, like I said, the market was not doing well. It was red, and I thought this would be a good short. When it gaps down, I always hope it would continue gapping down. So that's where I made the mistake. As soon as the market opened, I started a short position right here at around 34.50. That was really premature entry into a short trade without knowing exactly where the stock is going. It went up with a really big volume. I was still in there. I was down around, I don't know, maybe $40-50. But then it started to go higher. This upper wick made me believe that it might go down a little bit. So I added to my position. It sold off a little bit and came up to where it was 2 minutes ago, and then I added to my position again. At this point, I'm just watching. So it started selling off in my direction, which was really good. I took a partial of my position. I took some profit right here, and then some people were also taking a profit, so it goes up higher when people take profit from their short positions. I added right here, and then I added again, and then I took my profit right here, and then my last profit here. So it was a good day. $109 is not bad. $26 in commission. Some of it will be refunded. But the whole point of this is, as soon as the market opened, I'm not sure where it wants to go. So there is no good reason to get involved in any trade. I just rushed to get in because it's FOMO, fear of missing out. You don't want to miss out if it sells off really huge, and then you don't want to be staring at it without making a dime. So I just got involved. I could have done even smaller shares than 50 that I did. Maybe I could have started with 25 shares or whatever. I could have waited for this squeeze and then got in there. And then it would have been a really good trade, a much better trade than I had. So this is my day, very short, very quick recap. Anything else that other people were trading at Beaumont Traders, I haven't touched. There were some other things that people were interested in. When was one of them? When, WEN. Also, as you can see, this is a gap. This is a gap down. A gap down, really big. Must have had a very bad news, or so. Gapped up, it started to go up, and then after the market opened, it started selling off again. There were things like this that people were trading. I just am trying to show you what exactly people do at the market open. And then some people were trading Roku. Roku has been on fire for the last, weeks. from $100 to a high of 176. But yesterday it sold off big. It gapped down a little bit today. You see the gap down, and people were also trading this stock. But this is really a very expensive stock for me that I'm not touching. Most of the stocks I trade are between, I don't know, $10 to $50, maybe to $100, not more than that. Because as you can see, my equity that I started with $1,400 is about, I don't know, $1,900 now, maybe $2,000. So I don't have a lot of buying power, so I cannot trade these big stocks. Maybe I can do 20 shares, 10 shares, and that doesn't really give you a good profit to cover your commissions and all that. So for now, this is what I did. CTRP, let's see what's doing right now. So I covered here, it went up. I could have entered again, but it's not selling off really strong, so I just don't want to get involved. I'm done with today. I'm kind of tired a little bit. So that's my day. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can always ask me. Some people I know have been calling me about this, to ask me questions about this, and some people who have never traded in their life are showing some interest in trading, which is really good. So for any questions, comments, advice, criticisms, please drop them or just contact me the way you know how to. Thank you and have a good day. I'm done for the day. Bye.